Launch team.
No. Go.
Is this thing on? Hello?
I think that was a go.
Watching ODC.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
5, 4. Yeah, I know I can count 2 Roblox. I know.
2.
Is audio? Is this like?
We have liftoff.
Yeah, I turned down the audio just a little bit there.
We're coming in hot.
Skibbity tortoise.
Losing altitude. Prepare for impact.
Yes, sir. Dressed to impress. Welcome to ODC.
We've reached hyperspeed.
Thank you.
And now, please put your hands together for the founder and CEO of Roblox, David Baszucki.
Oh shit. That guy's waving.
2024. This is our 10th year, and this year it is bigger than ever. We have people from over 70 countries represented here. For example, we have people from Brazil, from Mexico,
From
South
Ireland.
Korea, Japan, Indonesia, Sweden. This is a worldwide creative audience. Welcome, everyone.
Can you see my mouse? I don't know if you can. That's a bit of a
When
shame.
Eric and I founded Roblox, there's one question that drove us. How do we as humans connect through play? 18 years later, same question is bringing us together right now. And I've seen some of you that have been through this journey with us ever since the start.
Yep.
Connection is at the center of our human evolution.
I've been
today,
there since
when many people
2006.
feel isolated and alone,
I was there in
we
spirit. I
really
couldn't make
got
it, but I was there in
about
spirit.
the ecosystem we're building together. Your amazing content supports connection and ultimately lets us play. And we can be part of the solution to make human connection better. That's been our focus from day one. Today, we'll announce cool new products. We're going to demo new tech. And we're going to celebrate some huge wins from you, our community. But first, we're going to take a look at how far we've come. In 2021, at our direct
Are the
listening,
developers and
we talked about
YouTubers
four
really the
growth
community though?
vectors
Because
growing around the
they're like
world
the
of
top
all ages,
1%.
new ways of using Roblox, and
I would say the
ultimately
average
improving our
Joes are like the
economy.
community,
And at
like,
the
you
time,
know,
we knew each vector had tremendous headroom.
the average
at
person
least
is
2x
the community,
each.
part of the community.
And that's
Whereas like the
proven to be
rich
true.
people making money off it, are they
Last
really part of it?
quarter, our daily
Like, they are,
active
yeah,
users
but they're not
grew by
most of it.
21% year over year. We saw double-digit growth in every region. We grew at over 20% in the US and Canada, and over 30% in Asia Pacific, and at double digits in Europe and the rest of the world. We are well on our way to bringing the world together with optimism and civility, and we are doing it with you. Thank you very much.
I love you.
Because of you, we've seen an explosion in content for all ages. And this has supported rapid growth for users over 17. Our daily active users are growing across all age groups, with over 58% of our users 13 or older
That's
now.
me.
And our 13 and up cohort is growing at 26% year on year in Q2. And as we grow, we do believe Roblox will become a daily utility for communication, shopping, entertainment, learning, and play.
Shopping.
And to
Oh, I
support
can't
this
wait to
vision,
buy my
we've been innovating
IKEA
with
furniture in
technologies
Roblox.
like
I can't wait to
voice,
buy
spatial
my
animation, chat.
Telfast
And
tablets in Roblox.
Q2 of this year, we had an estimated 3.8 daily active voice chat users. That's more than double year on year. And
But
we
does that
can see
count
in
like
our
people that
metrics
actually
that
speak through it, or just
MAU's
have it
growth
on but not
is voice,
that
our
aren't speaking
engagement
through it?
is growing. Your content powers Roblox, and we're constantly looking for ways to improve the business prospects for all of you. Our creator ecosystem includes many hobbyists. Of the millions creating on Roblox, over 20,000 are part of our DevX program. Median creator now is receiving $1,645 during the 12 months ended June 30th, 2024. But the hobbyist cohort is complemented by all of us in the room, professional creators, professional developers, and in the last 12 months through June this year, that Roblox creator community earned over $800 million, which is up 18% year on year. And we've seen this growth amongst all cohorts of creators. Our top 10 creators grew 5x in the past 5 years.
This is so exciting.
Our top 100
I love
and
hearing
our
about all the
top
stats
1,000
that
creators
don't apply to me.
are growing even more quickly. That all comes together as 79.5 million daily users on Roblox. And what makes it so
Did
fun
YouTube show the chat?
is I believe we're just getting started.
No.
So what's next? We spent a lot of
Okay.
time envisioning what types of content will thrive on
I know how to
Roblox
fix that.
over time, and what technology is needed to get us there. If we had to gauge our Roblox community relative to an existing segment, it would be what's traditionally known as the gaming market. And
No, I don't know how to fix it.
This is a huge market. 3.4 billion people play games, and the industry supports over $180 billion in content revenue every year. So, for our next stepping stone on our way together to 1 billion daily
I don't see
active
fighting anywhere.
users, we believe 10% of all gaming content worldwide will flow through the Roblox ecosystem. And we'll do it with our partners. We'll do it with all of you. We'll do it with Apple, Google, Microsoft, Sony, Meta, and Tencent. And we believe we'll hit this 10% of the global gaming market at about 300 million daily active users. We believe that about 80% of these users are going to be playing, and of course, as we know, the rest are going to be shopping, consuming entertainment, learning, connecting, and communicating. And so today, everything we're going to share is a step
This guy is so wise.
our mutual goal of reaching 10% of the global gaming content market on Roblox. We're going to highlight 3 areas we're accelerating. We want to help you bring people together. We want to help you scale, and we want to help you build your business. I'll kick off. You're going to hear from Garima. You're going to hear from Anupam, Manuel.
I really want to see the chat of the stream, so I'm gonna try to fix this, okay?
With bringing people together. That's where we all together started this journey 18 years ago. People play every day on Roblox in ways that are literally impossible in other places. And that's about to get easier.
Okay, I fixed it.
I'm excited, really excited. We've wanted this one forever. That next month we're releasing Party. Yeah. We are. It's finally here.
So excited. Yippee! Wahoo!
Party will allow friends 9 and older to group up, easily join experience together, and later this year we'll allow friends within a party to communicate with both voice and text chat within and outside of experiences. I've wanted this for
Completely useless, but still cool.
yeah. And in a way that only Roblox thinks about these things, of course we'll add an API that will allow you to expand the party experience. You'll be able to teleport party members to the same starting point, drop them into a private lobby or prepare them into a team. Really psyched. Thank you, User Social.
Okay, that could be useful. That could be useful.
In addition to helping you bring people together, we also want to help you connect with your community. Our goal is to make it possible for you to manage your community from one place on Roblox. Today, we're sharing that Roblox Groups is being rebranded as Roblox Communities, and Roblox Communities
Really?
will continue to grow with community building tools.
They're not
for all our
communities.
creators, with tools
I
such as
think. I
forums
haven't
or
used one in
dedicated
like
spaces for
7
users to
years.
share feedback.
No.
Woo! All right.
4.5 years.
And discuss gameplay.
No one
Forums
uses
are gonna
them.
launch
So why you
later
call them
this year.
communities?
We know several large communities
To have a
with
community,
sponsors
you need to have a
already
community, and there's no
prepared to try
community.
them. We've seen already a great response with announcements that lets you share updates about your experience or other things. And this functionality is already part of communities. 25% of the top 1,000 creators are already using announcements. So lots of work coming here. Okay, let's talk about discovery. Over the last 12 months, we've put enormous effort into discovery to democratize it. We've expanded this vision for search and discovery to be as fair as possible, to surface a lot of diverse content, and to make it as easy as possible for users to find experiences
Shrek
that are
Swamp
right for them.
Tycoon.
You've seen us augment our algorithm with today's picks. We're not just doing this on the homepage. We're starting to do this in the marketplace as well for you avatar and asset creators. We're being really thoughtful about the long-term health of Roblox.
I know.
As we do this, as we incorporate editorial with today's picks. We've also increased sponsored on our homepage it used to be about 1.6%. At the end of Q2, 8% of all impressions on our homepage is sponsored. We want to give all of you a broader range of ways to boost experiences and find audiences quickly, and really surface a broader range of experiences. But today we talked with a lot of you about search and discovery, and today
He talks to me too. I remember talking to him.
With you. And that is to be open and transparent into search and discovery
Yes.
on Roblox. We're going to be open with the
I'm praying to
algorithm.
God they're going to
We're
talk
gonna
about
share
the
with you
events,
exactly what we value, how we
like the
reward
games, the
attributes that
classic,
drive
the
distribution, and we're going to provide
hunts,
visibility
yeah.
to all of
Yeah.
you into how your experiences are.
I forget the names of them already. They don't
Thanks for your
leave a very
feedback
big
on that.
impression on you, do they?
Today, there is a wider range of experiences entering the top 100. It partially reflects our growth around the world. For example, Hide and Sneak and Rivals, they had their daily active players double in the past month. All right, way to go, Hide and Sneak and Rivals. Woo.
Yeah, where did Rivals come from? Like, it just appeared one day.
And here's a fun stat we're going to
It's
share.
just
In Q2
bam.
this year,
I can't stop my fingers. It was just like
there
bam,
were 25
there.
experiences on Roblox with over 1 million daily active players, or DAU. That's mind-boggling. This puts these experiences on par or better. Things we're very familiar with: Sonic Dash, Marvel Contest of Champions. Some of the titles, though, are bigger than things you would not imagine. We have experiences on Roblox bigger than Angry Birds, bigger than Among Us, bigger than Elden Reach, bigger than Overwatch. Some of the experiences
Elden
on our
Reach?
platform have more daily actives than any one of these. So
Angry
congrats
Birds?
to those experiences.
Among Us? Who? What? That's so
as
like
we think
4 years
about,
ago.
search
Angry
and
Birds was so 15
discovery,
years ago.
we don't want this to be a zero-sum game. We are starting to think about off-platform users finding content as well as on-platform users. To support this, we are announcing today a creator affiliate program that is going to reward you for new users you bring to Roblox. You'll be able to set up unique links for your experience. If users sign up and purchase Robux, you'll earn a share of the revenue they generate through purchases for the first 6 months. And yeah.
Okay,
So
interesting.
we
But
want to hit a
I can't imagine
balance
it giving you
between
very
the
much
benefit
Robux.
of your social bringing users from off platform. We're going to
And also, does it count new accounts or like
creators,
new
we're gonna
IP
enable them to
addresses?
earn up to
Because like if
50%
you make a
on
new
qualified
account,
purchases.
then
We're going to onboard
does that
creators
count
on
as a
a
new
rolling
person?
basis as we develop the program. We expect
Or does it have to be like from a different IP
available
address?
for all creators in the first half of 2025. Yeah. One of my favorite things, and we shared earlier that scale and perf is so important. So we're really going to be focusing, and we continue to focus on scale for performance, safety, and creation. Last week, and this is actually a pretty common thing on Roblox, we did hit a record.
I'm crying.
for
This is just so
concurrent users.
interesting.
It's powered underneath it by
No data
infrastructure
centers in
that we
Ireland.
built that is extremely cost effective, that now runs on 27 data centers around the world. And you might
That's
have
1,
seen
2,
it,
3,
but
4,
we've been driving perfect
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
throughout
10,
our
11, 12,
stack.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Perf quality
That's
is
27.
literally our biggest growth vector, and we're going to take this very seriously. This year, you've seen focus on app launch time. We've increased streaming adoption, which speeds up join times, reduced crashes. We've really been focusing on getting to the point where Roblox never crashes. On Windows, we've eliminated over 300,000 crashes every day. Royale High saw 64
It barely ever crashes anyway.
reduction in crash rates.
It isn't a
This year
huge problem.
across all devices. Creatures of Scenaria reduced
Actually, no, it is an Xbox because my brothers always tell me
both
that
their own investment
games
and our
crash for him
platform
sometimes. Like
development
Isle is one of them.
improvements. These developers are really showing how perf and stability can
And it isn't because of like his
supercharge
Xbox,
an
because
experience.
he has an Xbox Series S.
We've also
Like it's definitely
focused
powerful enough to
on
run it.
frame rate, and on lower end devices, really the most difficult devices on Roblox are 2 gig and 3 gig RAM devices. We've improved average FPS by 24% for sessions with really low FPS. You're going to hear more about it on stage today, the focus we have on that. The gains have come from our tech along with our analytics dashboard.
They need to fix the goddamn servers because there's like
A fun estimation.
they're really
we
bad. You have like a
estimate
7,000
we're on
ping no
track
matter where you
to
are.
add over 300
The games
million
run
hours
really
per
bad,
year of playtime
really badly.
purely from all our perf improvements. So once again, it's our biggest mic drop moment for just where we focus on growth. Okay, so I want to share now a little hint of an overall vision that is driving our creator engine and user teams on our platform efforts. We know this is one thing we need to do. We are going to make it possible for you to host a high performance 100-player open world sports or battle royale type game on Roblox, have it run great on 2 gig of RAM devices anywhere in the world at good frame rate. We're going to do it.
Okay.
Awesome.
Sports games don't have a really big market on Roblox though. They could have definitely used a better,
If you know Roblox,
genre.
stop until that is possible. We're going to drive all aspects of our engine roadmap to do it. I'm going to show you a
The average
quick
Roblox
peek of
gamer
our
doesn't
army
play sports. They're stuck
architecture.
inside all day
We're
on
gonna
their
talk about it
phones.
more.
Actually, no, the average
We're
Roblox
gonna
player can't
optimize
walk yet.
all
They're like
aspects
1.
of our engine, both client and server, balance, CPU, GPU, RAM, and bandwidth, really to optimize for every user the best experience across all devices. And yes, we are looking into a Roblox native architecture for server authority for competitive gaming.
What the hell is that? Yes, we are looking into quantum physics for Roblox.
We want to make it easier for you to build great content with all this scale. We've been building AI into Roblox for years. You've seen it with some of our Gen AI tools like Code Assist. material generator and texture generator. 3 months ago, we launched an incubation project with 40 researchers and engineers to develop a Roblox-created 3D foundation model. This is an internal project. It's going to power
The hell is
generative
bro
creation
yapping about?
everywhere on our platform. It's going to
I
do
know
it
I'm
at
not crying, it's
super
my
low
hay fever.
cost.
I have it pretty
And
bad today.
our 3D foundation model will be open source and multimodal. It will power 3D generation through text prompts, video, and 3D prompts. And we see a future where not just in studio, but a time where all
okay.
experiences on
That's-
Roblox will be able to incorporate
That's pretty helpful.
Gen I to power real-time creation integrated with gameplay. Yeah.
Real-time integration with gameplay? Is that what you said? So like you can develop a game while people are playing it,
for all 79.5
and it
million
changes
users
like in real time.
on our
But you can
platform
already do
and
that.
experiences.
It's
For
just
example, we expect experiences like Build a Boat for Treasure to not just use their current creative mode, but they're going to be able to add text and voice prompts to help build boats more easily. We see this as being an opportunity for all of your experiences that support creation.
that's pretty
And
cool.
of
I gotta be
course,
honest.
if your
Like telling
content
Build Up with Treasure,
contributes more to
make me a
the
giant
global gaming market,
uh
our commitment to safety and civility
Roblox
will
logo,
never change.
and then it draws like a square or
We,
something. I
since
don't
the
know.
start, have provided
It's not even
a
tilted the right way.
global safety system that's both increasingly accurate and cost effective, and this lets you focus on creation. Our goal has always been to make Roblox the safest place for people to connect, regardless of their age.
I know.
This
That's why I
year,
got groomed
we
yesterday.
shipped the ban API and alt account detection, which makes it easier for you to remove violating users from your experiences and to prevent them from rejoining. And as your experiences grow, our vision is you'll be able to participate in running your own community as you see fit. This is just another part of building your business. So let's talk about building your business.
Here we go. I've always wanted to run a drug business in Roblox. I've always wanted to become a kingpin.
18,000 full-time job equivalents in the U.S. over the past 7 years. We've taken steps. Yeah, that's a lot of jobs. Together, we've created a lot of jobs. So yeah, thank you. Other people not here, thank you too. We've taken steps to make it even more efficient. We expect that automatic price optimization is going to help all of you and creators thrive. And in the future, we expect users will have access to more premium and developer subscriptions. For developers, we're providing a platform for thoughtful native ads in your experience, and we're really double down on focusing on this as well. This year, brands like Walmart, Elf Cosmetics, Fandango, and Warner Brothers started testing commerce on Roblox. For users 13 and older,
Didn't they do it with
discovered
IKEA too?
clothing and beauty products in these experiences, and with a few simple clicks, these items showed up at their doorsteps. Users even bought movie tickets for Beetlejuice, the sequel that happens to be coming out today. So awesome. Early next year, we're going to allow creators to sell physical merchandise directly from within your experiences, and we plan to integrate with various e-commerce platforms. We're thrilled to announce
I don't want to go to
our
RDC.
partnership today with Shopify. All right.
Shopify? Wait, what? What? What the hell? Oh my god. Grow your e-commerce brand with Roblox
This
Shopify.
means that if any of you
Oh my
sell
god.
physical goods with Shopify, you'll be able to sell them those exact same products in your Roblox experience.
Buy my
And
t-shirt in
longer
Roblox
term,
and have it
we
delivered to your
expect
door within
creators and
2
developers
seconds.
to pick any eligible item currently sold through any major online retailer and sell it within your experience. Yeah.
I have no idea what he's saying.
We've also been some outside the box thinking on paid access games on Roblox. And historically, most experiences on Roblox have been freemium, powered by our super efficient,
Freemium?
cost-effective safety and infra systems. But our teams have been up late running some numbers, and I want to share with you what they've come up with.
Please do. I'm so excited.
Today, we're announcing new economics for paid access experiences. You'll be able to price your paid access experience in real currency value, and we're going to support a higher rev share for paid access games. Experiences selling at $9.99 will receive a 50% revenue share.
Oh, okay. So if you instead of pricing them in Roblox, you can price them in real money and get more money from it.
Experiences
think.
selling at $29.99 will receive a 60% revenue share.
Imagine buying
Yeah.
Adopt Me
If your
50
experience is priced
books.
at $49.99, the rev share is going to be 70%. This will all be paid in real fiat currency.
You know
We're
what? Instead of buying
rolling
Dark
this out
Souls
for
or
users
whatever,
on
I
desktop
can buy
this year. So
Carnival
stay tuned.
Terror in Roblox and play it for 7 seconds.
Okay, so we've shared today our belief that together we can support 10% of the global gaming content revenue on Roblox. We're going to now dive into more detail.
That's a lot of
on
stuff, oh my
how we
god.
bring people
They've been going
together,
for like,
how we plan to
I
help
think
you scale,
half an hour.
and how we
They've
plan
gone to 3 out of the 9, 10, 11 topics.
I really have never been more excited about the future of Roblox, and we can't wait to see what you're going to build this year. Thank you all.
I am really excited
Please
for the
welcome
future of Roblox.
Vice President of
Says
Engineering,
CEO David
Anupam
Bazuki.
Singh.
You guys have to believe me.
Wow. Thank you, Dave, for that inspirational start to the morning. I'm Anupam, and I'm going to talk to you about artificial intelligence today.
Don't know. No.
AI is already everywhere at Roblox.
Yeah, it's up my
Why
ass
do we
too.
do AI? Why do we invest so much time in AI?
I don't.
It's so that you, as creators, can automate as many repetitive tasks as you have to do.
The Build Above Treasure one was pretty cool, but like, what else can they do? Like, in certain games,
Creation
it
itself,
could be used for good,
let's walk through storytelling.
but in other games, like, integrate
When you have a
AI,
or an
it'd be sort of
experience,
useless.
what do you start with? A text script.
We've added AI
Once
to
you have the
Brookhaven.
text,
Now you can
want to
make your
add
own
living images
avatar
to it.
in
Once you have the images,
10
now add
seconds
some
instead of
sound to it.
60.
But images that
And it
don't
looks
move
worse.
are really boring. So you add video. Then you want to see everything from different perspectives. So you add 3D. And eventually you build it up into a scene. This entire cycle of
Evolution of
creation
storytelling.
can be helped with artificial
What?
intelligence. And I'm going to walk you through some examples today on what's challenging and what's interesting
They had videos before they had
about AI
scenes.
in the context of creation.
Oh, I have 28 people watching me right now according to
Use
Chrome,
AI in your
Google
daily
Chrome.
life today. Around 50% or so. And most of us use it for text. We use it to predict the next word in our sentence. You know, a hyper-powered autocomplete, if you will. But then we want to predict images. We want to predict where pixels go.
Yeah, they've lost me already.
When we
1D,
start
2D,
adding that's when
audio temporal.
artificial intelligence faces some challenges today. Because it's difficult to take temporal data.
Yeah, I was right. They really are going to talk about quantum physics sometime
I'm going to
in this
say
live stream.
needs sound and words and many other modalities. But if
Spatial
you want to
video.
add video, now you want to predict where these pixels will go. It's not just
I
where
have a
the
video
pixels will
here,
stand,
and I have one
whichever
behind
way,
it. That's
but
called
where will they go?
overlap.
Predicting pixels. Eventually, it becomes like a Rubik's Cube. You're trying to predict
Rubik's
these
Cube.
pixels
Actually, I have a
in
Rubik's Cube.
many
No, I won't
different
get it.
perspectives.
Just believe me.
And then you build up to a functional scene. So think of a scene as a set of cubes that have to be collected into scenes. So that scene that you see on your screen is a bunch of cubes that have been put together. But a world where things don't move, a world where things are not functional is pretty boring. So you want to take this scene.
A world where things are pretty don't function is pretty boring.
And that's
I mean,
what we
yeah, it's
call
also
as the fourth
not
dimension.
good.
And you'll see that small car move a little bit.
Oh yeah, 4D is like where
Now,
you can feel like the wind in your
I promised
hair
you
and
that this is about
the smell and
your
the
vision to
and
life
the,
back.
the touch
And I
in
know
games.
what most of you are thinking. Am I getting a lecture of artificial intelligence early in the morning, right? It's pretty boring. I understand that. So let's make it
Tentus Carey says, "What are you doing?"
each of these
I'm
steps
streaming ODC, obviously.
doing. Dave showed
No,
you
I'm making a
sneak
game right now.
preview of building a racetrack experience using AI. What was really happening behind the scenes in Dave's video was all these cubes were going one after the other.
That's a
predicting
lot of
on
cubes.
how
Oh my
to build a
god.
racetrack, then build a mountain in it. Then once you build the mountain, you want to build the background. And so you'll hear me say the word cube again and again.
What's he talking about again?
But then I want to make it nice.
Magic, science,
So I build a
both.
desert. This is what we call enhancement. And then I want to expand it, which is the trees, and the forest.
Didn't David
that we
Bazooka
added
just talk
to
about
this
that?
scene. So
15
we went
minutes
from
ago?
the idea of a scene to generate it, then enhanced it, and then expanded it. All of these is powered by the 3D foundation model. As Dave mentioned, we have 40 people working on a foundation model that will create scenes, that will enhance scenes, that will expand scenes.
Yeah, they've
Our
lost me.
intention is
I don't know what they're
to
talking
open
about.
source most of the weights of this
I
foundation.
have a book here, so I'm gonna read that instead.
Next,
It's
if
called
you have a racetrack, you want a driver.
Heroes of Olympus: The
How
Lost
to get
Hero.
that driver? Well, in the world of AI, your user would just put in a text prompt. And I want that driver to look more than just a driver. Because this is Roblox, we want to make it look like an
Whoa! What the hell is that thing?
So we take
Oh!
our enter our text prompt. We can take a bunch of sliders.
Hide the screen.
And boom, you have a racetrack driver that looks like an astronaut. Very cool. And we've been working on it as the Altar auto setup feature.
I forgot what page I was on. I think it was like 240 something, but I don't know.
8% of Altar bodies are in auto setup. So that's the racetrack and the driver. But what about the car? Making a car fully functional in artificial intelligence is a pretty difficult problem. What you just saw was our ability to take a car chassis, add doors to it, add wheels to it. And that's the fourth dimension. This is active area of research. Roblox is one of the few companies on the planet that can actually build a four-dimensional functional world. But
What?
that car was pretty generic. Again, we want to make it a little bit more Robloxian. So what we're going to do is...
Wait, they use Robloxian? I thought we were gonna call it like,
We're going to lop off the top of the car.
I don't know, but not
Have
Robloxian.
the chassis. So all of you who deal with geometry every day can think about taking the chassis, and then we are going to make it
What are
into
they
a
talking
sofa.
about?
Who doesn't
Text
want a
prompt
sofa?
for completion. A
and
sofa.
a car together.
Completed mesh.
All of it
So you put the
can
sofa
be
on the
done
car,
simply by putting a text
Is that
prompt
the
saying,
seat?
"Give me a sofa."
and then the wheel's like
That's
sunglasses.
predicting shape and geometry.
Like you move the sunglasses around like
We are
this to drive.
expecting much more than just text, which is what most of the large models do today. This feature, we call it text to shape, and it is in development, and we will ship it soon. We took the car,
Ship
we
it
made it
soon.
into a sofa car.
I've been waiting for chat
We
on
want
Xbox
to
for
make it
8.5
more
years.
attractive. So
Or
we are
sorry,
going
not
to
Xbox,
take
console.
Decals. We're going to take that image prompt and say,
Couch car. Oh my god.
and that's it.
It's awesome.
This part is called textures. We've released it. It's in development, but we've released it to some of you, and 420,000 textures have already been generated. So every modality in 3D is being generated across Roblox.
I've 96 people watching me right now as I'm
Driver,
recording
what do
this.
we need now?
It's awesome, I think.
Maybe we can have Dave kick it off.
It's a beautiful day for a race at the Roblox racetrack. Estamos entusiasmados para que isso comece.
See, yes,
What is happening?
salute,
I thought Dave would speak Portuguese.
Kawagoto.
I don't think so. It's actually speech translation by our AI model, which inline went from English to Portuguese without us doing anything.
That's another, like, good feature where you speak in English and it turns it into Marsian.
Today we have translated 17 billion chat messages, which is a very large number. Per
I've never seen a chat message translated in my life, and the feature's been around for like a year.
We are now
What am I doing wrong? I play Roblox every day and I haven't seen it yet.
to text. All of this will be available to you as creators to incorporate into your experiences. But when you put two drivers on a racetrack or more, what happens? We get competitive. We start being rude to each other. We start cursing each other. I'm guilty of
Yeah,
that.
piss you.
But this is Roblox. Safety and civility are so important to us as a community, as a company. So our safety team decided to build an inline, real-time voice safety model that if two drivers in this case are being rude to each other,
The voice chat moderation thing, it's way too strict, I guess. Like, you can say anything, you get a timeout or even banned for like a day.
on the planet, only our safety team could have done it. I'd like to give them a round of applause for keeping the internet safe. This is in production. 33 million voice messages have been moderated per month.
Whoa.
And then we decided, why not make the internet safe rather than just Roblox? So we open source the model. Anybody can go to GitHub, download.
Why not make the
and
internet
use this
safe?
model to make their experience safe, not just
Ooh,
Roblox. Amazing work.
Yes, I see. Let's take all the baths out of sugar drinks and just make it
When I
water.
started programming, you had to open manuals, and then you had to Google something, and then you have to figure the syntax out. And while I'm saying all this, Roblox Assistant just took a prompt and generated a ton of code. I can't even keep up with it. It's so fast. It's taken a daytime racetrack, converted it into a nighttime racetrack.
Yeah, this definitely saves time, but I think
Those
people
three
would,
slides switch
most
on
people
and
would use it
off
as a
depending
tool
on whether it is day or
rather
night.
than
Everything
as
that I
like
explained to you is a
a
ton of
substitute for
work
themselves coding.
by our creator team to build Roblox Assistant for all of you so that you can code faster. A round of applause to our creator team for building this amazing product.
Yippee.
Again, this is in production. 1.5 billion tokens. It means 1.5 billion times we have helped some creator finish their thought in code, which is pretty exciting for a geek like me. It's already live. Okay. I promised you, AI is everywhere at Roblox.
No, it's not.
We have 250.
I joked about it being my ass, but it isn't.
Anytime you create
Not yet,
on
anyway.
Roblox, anytime you use Roblox, you might be accessing one of these models. And because we're very proud of invisible infrastructure, we don't want you to know that, oh, I'm using this model versus that. I wanted to list all 250 models and describe each one of them. But the marketing team sadly said no.
No.
So, I'm going to give you just a sneak peek.
Hi
of what
says,
did we already use
what's the
with
Sigma?
AI, code assist, auto setup,
What the hell, man? I'm not allowing any brain rot kids in my chat.
and many more. We will continue to invest
How
in
dare you
AI
say that?
so that you you can create faster. You can automate most of your tasks, repetitive tasks, so that you can get to building an experience faster. And finally, I know most of you access some large model or the other. Almost every creator in the world, every programmer in the world is accessing large models. We are working on
My brother, he's a developer in Roblox. He used to use ChatGPT for like most of his games, but now he's confident enough at programming to like, you know, use his own code.
In the next few months. Thank you very much. Have a great RDC.
Thank you, man.
Please welcome back
I'm gonna bow to you too.
Mizuki, with Roblox Senior Product Director of Engine Josh Annan and Senior Engineering Director of Platform Excellence Karenina Motion.
Okay, welcome back.
Thank you.
Middle of my talk, I talked a little about perf quality and scale and why it's so important.
Perf what?
So
Perf
we've
squad?
got two members
What?
of the
Perf
team out,
quality?
Josh from the engine group, Karenina from the user group, and we're going to talk perf and scale, and you'll get to hear what we're working on. I want to start with something you might not all know, which is a huge focus on something as insignificant sounding as app.
What is Davis
You know, the CEO
Hazuki's net worth?
scroll speed and app launch time of all
2.82
our apps
billion
is
USD.
really focused on
Okay.
this.
Just curious.
But why is it so important?
It is incredibly important. We found that, well, we all know pretty much, that we love snappy feeling apps. So when you
What's a
launch an
snappy
app,
feeling app?
that means that you're
Snappy
not
chatty?
waiting. If you're waiting for that to load, that's a lot of time taken away. So the faster the app loads, the more time people are engaged with the app, and we see a correlation between the two.
Okay, and then what is
I mean,
our
yeah.
slightly humorous?
Like, would you rather play a game that takes 5 minutes to load or 5
Your ambitious
seconds?
goal that you mention at every meeting? Yeah.
Most of your time in that game anyway will just be loading.
Which no one in the world does, so it's impossible, but that's our goal.
Well, I'm glad you realize it's slightly
Yeah,
impossible,
yeah, yeah.
but we'll get there. We'll get close.
Okay, so I know we launched PlayStation less than a year ago. It's a specific area where we put incredible focus. We're doing it on every device, but let's use that as an example. What's happened on PlayStation for all of us who build for PlayStation or play on PlayStation?
Well, we've saved about 40% of that launch time. So we've had about a 6-second reduction in the first half of this year. And it's a bit about relentless drive and focus to improve the launch time. In that case, what we've done is that we've optimized the network calls. And so done the homepage prefetching before we load the Lua app. And we've done similar work across PC. And in that case, we've optimized our data model.
Why not
and
Xbox?
Also seen
Or mobile?
You don't need to load the audio and the video because you don't need that for the homepage. So we've done that sort of work in order to improve the launch times across different platforms.
Okay, well, I can feel it every time I launch our mobile app. And I think, you know, I shared earlier our research was 18,000 full-time job equivalents in the U.S. Talking about people's time and other metrics, I know you might have a number around just raw time people have saved.
It's all about time,
Yeah,
as
this
if
year, we are
their
now
whole
saving
goal
nearly
isn't to get people
40,000
to stay in Roblox as long as
by
possible,
shortening the time
and
period.
therefore spend more money.
40,000, that's like 1,000 person weeks of work. So,
It's an annual savings
okay.
of 15 million hours.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're literally making the world a better place by cutting out.
Roblox is helping the world become a better place. It's solving world hunger, creating world peace, and all that stuff.
Another theoretical question, crash rates, which is every app crashes at some frequency. What's our target for crash rates?
Our target is 0.
All right.
And that's not a joke.
Notice
Okay,
the thing.
that's-
That guy on the right looks very chill.
And we believe
Our
that's
goal is
most
0.
achievable.
Yeah.
So,
And we're going to keep working at it.
what are we focused on there?
So we've been doing a lot of things. Now, one of the biggest things we've been doing this year is really putting a microscope to every single aspect of the engine. And we're not just looking at things like how much memory we use, we're looking at really technical things, like how fast we ask for that memory. Because in some devices, if you ask too fast, it can cause crashes and other problems. We've made huge improvements. Like in our voice chat library, we've reduced the allocations per second over 20 times. That's a huge win in user experience.
Okay, and just like I shared earlier, our aspirations on supporting 100-person sports open world battle royale. What's the most
I still don't know what the point of having a 100-player sports game is.
Resource
Because
constraints,
most sports have less
2
than like
gigabyte Android devices.
12 or 13 players in each team. So that's at the very most 24. And then I guess like spectators and referees. But who the hell is going to be watching a Roblox sports game?
Devices they sell for very low cost. They allow a lot of people to play Roblox, but we still see 2 gigabyte Android devices. So when we
Imagine paying tickets to go to a Roblox concert, and then one of the guys on the team just hacking and flying around.
If someone happens to be using a streaming experience, and the experience is, say, the state of California, what's the benefit for memory on that situation?
Yeah, so what's great about streaming, it's funny, is even today
I'm
the
streaming.
talked about streaming's benefits for join time. But streaming
Am I him or is he me? I don't really know I'm streaming.
Not on your device. And that makes it so that we could have California loaded on one of those resource constrained devices.
I'm sorry about my eyes, guys. It's just my hay fever is really bad.
Their join times are
It's killing me.
their crash rates
And I don't have long left to live.
jailbreak just adopted streaming a bit ago. And their
Russian guy says, "You from question mark?" Yeah, I'm from Ireland.
Okay, so I keep asking if a creator has streaming on, and then we add Harmony, which is balancing CPU, GPU, RAMs, networking, all of that. That does create a theoretically no crash environment. Can you talk more about Harmony?
Yeah, Harmony and streaming is absolutely how we're getting to zero crash. So some of you know that our engine actually automatically scales based on your device's capabilities. It's pretty unique to Roblox. The past couple years, we have been completely overhauling how that scaling works. We're improving 2 key things. One is we're making the system predictive. And the
I don't know what they're talking about apart from the fact that they're trying to make robots run better, which is a thumbs up from me. That's one of my biggest complaints with the game itself, not like the platform, just the game. It runs, it takes up a lot of like, resources.
But then in the background, we get to the set of buildings, and Harmony is able to predict that the crash is about to happen, and it's able to work between streaming and LOD to stop that crash from happening. It's a pretty nice improvement.
Yeah, so I think, ultimately, theoretically, we should be able to never crash if we're using streaming and Harmony. We'll load as much of the world as possible.
Yes.
And you mentioned Harmony, or we talked about it managing GPU as well, which leads us into something else we would all like is 240 hertz on every device.
How is that man not retired yet? He's like probably in like his late 50s and early 60s.
We're making some really great progress. This is a video showing where we were at.
He's 61, yeah. He's like a fossil. He's gonna have a heart attack in a second. Like he's literally gonna pass out.
We're about 1.5 times faster. And
That's
this is
mean to me.
on a
Sorry.
device. Now, there's something really special in this video too. And if we did our job right, you don't see it. There's a number of things that are hidden behind those buildings and walls, and we're not drawing them anymore. So starting now in this video, we have automatic dynamic occlusion culling. Yes.
Before and after. It's just a slideshow. Just one image after the next.
So now I know the answer to this, but I'm going to ask it anyways, right? Which is there's some functionality we do sometimes that improves every single experience on the platform without a code change or any change to the experience. Is this one of them?
This is one of these magic moments where we just release an improvement and everyone gets it for free.
Okay.
No work required.
Awesome. Yeah, that's very Roblox.
For free?
There's
I mean, I
some
hope
of our
most
low
updates are
outputs
free.
when it went high
Oh,
speed,
my eye.
started running faster.
Something's in my eye.
So really excited about this. And just give us
Huh?
an update on occlusion culling. Anyone testing it right now? When will it roll out?
Yeah, so we're testing it in a couple experiences right now, Dress to Impress, Anime Fighters, and a few others. And then over the next few weeks, it's going to
Why is it always dressed to impress, man? I mean, girl.
Your users will just
That
press
game is not
play,
Slay.
it will be faster.
It's just.
Okay, I'm trying to get my head around that.
Not bad, I guess. Like, it's fine, but there's no way it should have like what 3,000 people playing it concurrently.
App launch time. CEOs, like I look at the scroll speed of every other app, and we can like, how good is this, right? It's like if we were working on cars, we'd be checking the transmissions out. So let's talk about just raw quality on the user, and maybe lead in with scrolling and other things you're working on.
Yeah, scrolling is one of those things that is very obvious and intuitive to the user. You want it to be super responsive. So we have a video to demonstrate some improvements with side-by-side scrolling. If you want to put the video up. On the left, you see where we had the mid-size UI in Marketplace, and it wasn't scrollable unless you took it to full screen. And so we optimized by making that mid-size UI very scrollable, super snappy, and we found
Yeah,
that it's
mobile
really
Roblox,
impact
it
increased
just
market price searches,
it's
increased
really bad. The app itself, like the homepage, is broken all the time. The avatar catalog thing, it doesn't function correctly. There's a lot of missing features compared to computer.
Why does my text look blurry when I've switched my monitor?
Right, if I ever see uncrisp tests, you get an email, right? Like,
yes.
Okay, good.
Yeah, we get a lot of emails. It's one of them. But that we hunted down. You know, it's like, okay, well, every OS behaves slightly differently. And on Mac, well, you gotta have dynamic updating DPI in order to know that you're modifying your assets, so your assets don't look fuzzy and your text doesn't look fuzzy. So that's now crystal clear. So no more emails on that one.
There's one other one where a lot of us context switch all day long on our mobile app or on our desktop, and
That woman's smiling is sort of creepy. She's like,
right in it. Can you share what we did there?
Yeah, so your iOS, on iOS specifically, when you go into the background, sometimes came back, you had to wait for the assets to load. We were trying to fetch the assets before the network was ready, figured out, okay, we should really wait. OS will tell us when the network's ready, then we'll fetch the assets, and that makes it feel...
hashtag Creek is Bear says, Elizexbeths_universe.
I spend a lot of time.
Okay,
open up Roblox
that's fine, man. Or woman, I don't know.
Yeah. You
I
do
do too. I've probably done.
I'm not really trying to become Bear and Creekcraft in terms of like my streaming quality.
Well, I might miss it, but I guess 0.
Right. So we are in the process of launching background downloads. So hopefully no more waiting for Roblox to update.
Okay, so that means on my PC or my Mac, I'm not going to see that dialogue.
Yeah.
Okay.
So when we release an update, if you've got Roblox open, it'll download the background.
David Mizuki's like, wait, what are we talking about today? Tell me about it.
Okay, awesome. Okay.
Even he doesn't know what's going on.
One more thing, and this dovetails into our discussion around 100 players. We started giving more CPU based on the size of the experience. We just talked about. Well, actually, I didn't talk in my. Can you tell us what we're doing for memory on RCs?
Yeah. So the past few years, whether you've had 1 player or 100 player, you always got about 6 gigs of RAM on the server. But we really want to let you build these bigger worlds, and that's not just about making the engine more efficient, it's about giving you more...
Let's watch this so I can do a magic trick, okay? Just close your eyes,
we have what we call dynamic.
open them, I'm gone.
Your server memory now starts at 6.4 gigabytes.
And then close them again,
Megabytes of additional memory
open them,
per
I'm
player
back.
experience. So if you build a 100-person experience right now, you get twice as much memory, almost twice as much, as you did a month ago. We think that's going to be a big enabler.
And if I'm a creator, I go to my creator dashboard. I'm assuming I'll be able to do more without crashing. I'll probably be able to see this. Can you just share what I might see?
Yeah, so it's been a really big week here. Not just
I feel like David Mizuki doesn't even know what these guys are talking about. He's like, you're gonna improve the frame rate, right? Can you show me what that looks like? Because I don't know.
Yeah, so I think this is just part of that, getting to 100-player high perf just as fast as a 5-player memory CPU.
Raz Talkman Tube says, C I'm I K Kazukugus I Ismis.
Biggest growth vector in
Okay.
the company. Appreciate all the work. Any other closing comments or things we should be thinking about?
Yeah, this is a fantastic opportunity, so I want to encourage people to check out the Engine Lab in the booth area. We'll have an opportunity to get some hands-on help with your experiences, where you get help on anything from how to adopt streaming, which we talked about, or just optimizations.
Okay, so thank you both. It's been great talking about that. We're going to now start talking about building our businesses. Stephanie,
Yes,
Latham,
I'm waiting
are
for
gonna
this.
come on out. So welcome, Stephanie.
I
and
cannot
thank
wait
you,
to be a
Dr.
kingpin.
Paulina.
Here we go. Okay.
Please welcome Roblox Vice President of Global Brand Partnerships, Stephanie Latham.
Hello, RDC!
Hello.
I am so happy to be here today because one of the best parts of my job is getting to connect with all of you, our creator community, and help you connect with brands to see what you uncover and unlock together. And we've been busy on the brand partnerships team. We now have over 400 activations, and for those of you who were here last year, you may remember that's double. Brands are coming to Roblox to find and connect with new audiences, and with them, they're bringing millions of new users to connect with you too. So in fact,
Really?
as I hope you'll see,
So
in our
like
next
all the
session
IKEA
together,
fans,
there has never
like
been a
diehard
more
IKEA
exciting
fans
time to be a
are
part of our brand
flocking to
ecosystem
Roblox
at
because
Roblox.
now IKEA's in Roblox.
So let's start with the team at Dress to Impress.
Motasem Sayed? Sorry. What says, what's this? This is me watching RDC, the Roblox Developer Conference.
Thanks to the
Ah.
first brand integration with Warner Music Group's Atlantic Records. So you don't have to take my
Am I the only one that had never heard of Brat before they went into Dress to Impress?
Hi, my name is Imoye, and I'm the manager and representative for Dress to Impress. When people think of Dress to Impress, they think trendy, fashionable, and self-expression.
I
So when
think
we
none of
partner
those.
into the experience,
I think
we had to make sure it was
horrifying,
for our
horrifying,
and the reaction
ugly,
from our
ugly,
community
and
has been amazing. People are loving the
nothing
themes,
else, just that.
fashion, makeup looks, and of course, music. Working with partners has brought in new audiences for us, and we had over 15.6 million players engaged with our brand themed challenges, and it brought in 2.4 million new players who had never played Dress to Impress before. Plus, we broke our highest CCU yet at a staggering 641,000 plus CCU. In the future, we are so looking forward to working with brands that
That's not
feel
fashionable,
and amazing
is it?
as our game and community is. And we are so excited to bring more cultural moments to the Roblox
I don't know,
platform.
maybe I'm just not very
Thank you
fashionable
much for
myself, which I'm not,
listening to us, team.
obviously.
Bye.
You can tell from what I'm wearing. I just wear the same thing every day for like 7 years. Or actually no, more realistically I wear the same thing every day for
So here's what's
without,
really
without
exciting.
changing my
These types of partnerships are
like
now
my clothes. Like
transitioning
of course I
all
wash them.
categories.
About 9 months.
Let's take automotive, for example. Lamborghini
Motasem
recently integrated
Sayed
with
says, what is
Builders
your
Design
age?
Empire.
I'll
They've
tell you
simultaneously
if you tell me your IP
marketing
address.
on
Or your
Roblox
public IP address, not your
and in the
private
real
one.
world. Bridging the gap between the digital and the physical. For Driving Empire, the launch was a major success, significantly boosting both the visibility and the player engagement. During launch weekend alone, 6 million miles were driven in the new Lamborghini. And Boldex reported a 5-time increase in traffic to the Lamborghini Lab experience.
That isn't fully on screen over
But
there
this
on the
is really
left.
just the beginning
It just says
for
end.
Gary, wherever you are, and the Driving
Licensing and
Empire
integration with major car brands have been transformative for driving Empire's community.
Licensing and integrations with automotive brands has now opened up more doors for Voldex, who are now working with Jaguar, Land Rover, McLaren, General Motors, Audi, and just wrapped a really successful collaboration with NASCAR. So now, jumping over to entertainment, our studio partners are always continuing to push the boundaries with new releases. And as you heard
Oh yeah,
earlier,
Beetlejuice. I've never seen the first one.
today,
Haven't seen the second one.
but thanks
I
to
haven't
the
seen the third one.
development of Escape the Afterlife, an experience created by Nick and the Sawhorse team, Beetlejuice already has 23 million visits as of this morning on Roblox and has cemented its place as one of our top theatrical experiences. But what I also love is Escape the Afterlife also integrated with 4 other top Roblox experiences, bringing the community even more together. And I don't know about all of you, but it was pretty fun to test out that Fandango integration and purchase my first movie ticket on Roblox. So we're also seeing this type of innovation
I didn't even know you could do that.
transcend to our avatar
I could have made a video on that, couldn't I?
creators.
I make videos and stuff for anyone that doesn't usually watch me. I make videos on Roblox games, mostly.
Trade and Rush X, working closely with brands like Adidas to design collections and items for our marketplace. Recently, Adidas and Who's Trade launched
A
an
skateboard?
exclusive virtual necklace that was bundled with 2 pairs of physical shoes. When they launched this on Roblox, it sold out
Kroben
instantly
Gaming
for
says,
2
"What's up,
million
brother?
Robux.
Not much, sister. Not much."
And Adidas too is just getting started, and they continue to partner with other developers and creators like Matthew and the team in Dubit, with lots more integrations to come. But these are really just a few ways that brands and creators are coming together in our community. And this is all connected to what Dave mentioned earlier, which is how focused we are on creating more ways for you to build successful businesses on Roblox.
Yeah, but has any? Well,
So now
yeah,
let's
obviously
take you on a
people
trip
have,
to the future
but it's
and
very
see the
hard.
places
It's
where we're focusing our investments to bring
and
more brands
it
and
sort of
creators
depends
together.
on how you define a business, I guess, because
Growing your business by
just
enabling
making virtual items in a
experience.
funny kids platform.
Last year, we
Well,
launched
not
immersive
kids,
ads
just
with
a
Image
platform.
and Portal.
Is that a business?
This was the
Or
first
making
time
games
you
on
could
it?
earn by showing ads in your
Okay, that's a
experience.
business, but
You
making
gave us a lot of
clothes,
feedback. Thank
I
you.
wouldn't
But
say
we're
it
happy to hear
is.
from many of you, as Alex from Jailbreak shares, this is working. So far, over 3,000 of you have earned Robux as ads publishers. Okay, so this is awesome to see, but I know and we know that you want more ways to earn from showing ads.
I don't.
Earlier this
I
year,
really don't. I want less ads to be
immersive
Roblox,
video.
not more.
And this is already bringing new brand partners and advertisers to the platform. My team has been hard at work educating the largest global brands.
Going to a Roblox game and then seeing freaking ads for
Highly engaged
Beetlejuice is also a
and in
surreal
turn,
experience.
growing ways for all of you to earn. So let me share with you the results from our initial video ads research. Nearly 3 in 4 Roblox users agreed that they enjoyed in-experience advertising on Roblox.
No, those are not real people. I swear to God, those
had
are.
a favorable opinion of our rewarded video ads.
No.
This makes sense
Wait, what?
because we're seeing much higher completion rates, and in turn,
People
this is
like
translating into
getting
higher payouts
advertised
for all of you.
stuff in Roblox.
So looking ahead, we want to make sure
I mean,
that we launch a
it's
range of
goofy and you can make a video on it,
you're in
but
control, and you
no
decide
one
what
likes it.
best fits your experience.
What?
So I'm delighted to share with you in the coming months, we'll give you more options for when and where the ads appear.
No.
For
It's
example,
gotta be happening.
we want to
Not
give
more.
you the ability to trigger the ad from anywhere, whether it's in your menu or in experience stores. And what's really cool is that these videos play as an overlay. So
Oh
you
my
have
God.
control over how
An
to
ad for
distribute
Run
the ads
Strong, Run
and, of course,
Fearless,
the reward.
and Defy Limits, and Run Wild, and Run Free. Dino Fast. Man, that does a lot of stuff.
So next, let's talk about commerce. First, a huge thank you again to our partners at Walmart, Elf Cosmetics, Warner Brothers, and Fandango.
And
for helping
IKEA.
us test this idea.
Don't forget IKEA.
As David mentioned this morning, we're expanding our offering and are thrilled to bring Shopify on board next. But let me bring this to life a little more for you.
They've used that exact part of
You
the
can bring your
trailer
product
3
catalog
times in
from
this
Shopify
live stream.
directly And don't worry, we'll have you covered with inexperienced APIs and webhooks to help you manage merchandising, checkout, and order confirmation.
Who the hell is excited to buy a shirt in Roblox? Actually, no. No, people are. People definitely are, because it's like new is exciting. But
And outside of Roblox.
I don't know, man.
The opportunities for you to build fandom and
It's
loyalty.
really weird.
And then last,
So, like,
certainly not least,
if there's a
we have heard
kid
from so many
with their
of you
mom's
that
credit
you're
card,
looking for more ways
they can just buy a shirt
So I'm excited to tell
or
you that
a
in
sofa.
January, we'll be expanding our Roblox partner program. Our goal when we launched this program was to empower developers that wanted to work with our brand community. And good news, it's been working. Current members regularly share and tell me that being a part of the program has helped them unlock many new business opportunities. So we're excited to welcome more of you into the fold. And we'll be posting all the details.
I feel very
on
welcomed.
in a
Thank
dev
you.
forum post later today. All right, this brings us to the end of our few minutes together. But I hope in our time today that you are able to see and feel what I get to see and feel every day, which is that the opportunity
You get to see all the ads. Oh god, that sounds miserable.
has never been greater. So I want to thank you for helping us build this incredible ecosystem. And thank you for your feedback. Thank you for your creativity. And most of all, thank you all for your continued collaboration.
As much as I'm joking about all this, I mean, I wouldn't be able to go up on stage in front of tens of thousands of people. And that's including people on like live streams and stuff. I wouldn't be able to do that.
Do I go right now? Video didn't play.
Yeah, we're having some technical difficulties.
Wow, this is an amazing audience. This is
Senior
so
Director of
amazing.
Product
I am
Social?
So happy to be here. I think RDC is my favorite time of the year because I get to see all of you, and it's so much creativity and so much
Parasocial
innovation
relationships.
that comes out from people in this room.
Pratisha Pandey
It
says,
inspires us
"Whoa,
to
who
build
is
the
it?
best platform
It's
in the
me,
world
Super
for all of
Speed,
you."
the best YouTuber on earth."
Roblox is on a mission to connect 1 billion people to come together and have fun. Every experience you all build on Roblox
In the far corner on the left
helps
is just like a
millions
random
of
Roblox
people
avatar.
to come together.
Guys, look,
Every
see,
single
we
day.
do include Roblox avatars.
Playing
You can
games
just barely see them.
is one of the most social things people do when they're together. Whether it's your Sunday tradition or your Christmas tradition. It makes sense that people want to come together, play games, and hang out. Maybe it's a lot more about sometimes just having a great coffee. Or maybe it's about going to a concert and having a fun night out. Every experience on Roblox and every moment on Roblox.
You can't have coffee in Roblox.
People coming together
Like,
to have a great time.
even if 4D exists, and like you're using VR, you pick up the coffee, you drink it,
579
but you're not
million friendships
actually
are
drinking
formed on
anything,
Roblox
even if it
every
feels
single
like
month.
it.
Think about that. Can someone do the math real quick?
No, how would it feel like that anyway?
It translates to
Haptic suits can only like
friendships formed.
mimic stuff on like the outside of your body, right? Not the inside.
Over 36 million people communicate on Roblox every day, whether that's text chat or voice chat. The main thing is they're coming together and expressing.
Yes, I'm
that's a
expressing
lot
my
of fun
need
for
to play average play game.
And all this leads to over 1.5 billion hours that people spend with their friends. That's huge. That's a lot of human connections and a lot of fun that people are having on Roblox.
Social equals
why does it
engagement
What all this tells us
times monetization.
is when people come, they can find their friends, they can connect with them, they can play with them, they can communicate with them. It's magic.
It's magic.
Every single time a user can come together and play,
Roblox
just
is
like
magic
that,
all along.
they
Maybe
start
Roblox was the
unlocking
friends we made along the way,
they
guys.
spend so much more time. And eventually they spend so much more money. It really is a no-brainer for you all to integrate amazing, easy social features that will drive more engagement and a lot more monetization of your experiences. And we've been at this for a long time. I think a lot more have you been at this for a long time. How many of you were building on Roblox over 5 years ago? Can I see the hands? Wow, that's a lot of you. So you must remember some of these launches. Remember that 200 friend and block limit? Who remembers that? Yeah, I see a few hands. What about 3 years ago? I think spatial audio and text chat are some of the things we have been talking about for last 2-3 years. I think more than half of you use the new text chat service. You know how important
People
text
have
chat is in
voice
every
chat,
experience.
but most of them don't use
And
this,
just in the last year,
like, talk
we've
through it for
shipped
fear
all
of
these new social
getting
capabilities,
banned.
audio API, captures API,
And that
screenshots,
sucks.
immersive communication, and a lot more.
That's a lot of
Amazing
stuff in
is,
the last year.
social
Although most
is
of it probably
getting
doesn't mean
more and
anything.
more powerful every single year. Let's look at a few examples from the community.
Wait, Murder Mystery 2?
Is Murder Mystery in the room? Do I see them? Maybe not. It's an amazing experience. I enjoy it so much.
No, it's not.
Let's take a look at what was on here.
I don't like tight spaces. I get very claustrophobic. And gases.
What the hell is this?
Well, it's a really fun survival game where every user is assigned the role of a murderer, an innocent, or a killer, and you run around.
A murderer, an innocent, or a
trying
killer?
to problem solve. In addition of voice chat
Okay.
earlier this year, took
Yeah,
this
that's
game
Murder
to a
Mystery
new
2.
thrilling level. It's so much fun.
I love being the killer, but being the murderer is even better.
Using voice chat, running around as you just saw. And with that, I'm so excited to share that now 69 of the top 100 experiences on Roblox are voice enabled. That means, yeah,
I don't see the Irish flag there.
voice is really helping people drive more engagement in their experiences, and it's just so much more fun for users.
No, I do see it top left.
Over the last year, we've been really hard at
They're
work
just trying to hide it.
to expand voice globally. And true to the promise of Roblox, we wanted to do it safely and make sure the optimism and civility on the platform is maintained. Safety is core to everything we do at
I'm gonna stop streaming in like 5 minutes, guys, or less,
So
because I need to have a
excited
shower.
share that voice is now available in over 32 countries worldwide. And like
Only
I said,
32 countries?
over 3 million
Really?
users are using voice every single day. That's double of what we shared last year.
Only... Oh my god.
But I am more excited for the future. The future where we can make sure every single user has an amazing, magical experience on Roblox. They come together, they find their friends, and they can play together. And it works. It should work.
Unlock the
every
power of
single time.
social together. Now, ignore the fact that social means you have to be together.
Let's have something very simple that we all think should actually work, and that's playing with each other. This is how it goes today when people use many different apps. Do
You wanna play Roblox?
Yes,
I'm already
I'm
on.
Wait,
Hey, what server you on? This is so annoying. Kick
I
out
don't
again,
know,
what the
I
heck?
don't know, it's not working.
Knows it's
I
getting
know
old.
it's not
Where the
working.
hell? Send me a link. Why does this keep happening? Why though?
I can't join. I need
So
to join.
slow, this is
Wait,
absurd, lol. Why is it so hard to find my friends, lol?
You might think, why doesn't it just
Just one emoji.
And the thing is, what if we can make it work? And Dave shared this a few minutes ago. Roblox Party. It's a way that people can come together, coordinate, join servers together every single time. I want to bring this to life, but I can't have this party alone. So let's invite Dave back on stage.
My god, he's everywhere.
And I would love to invite Nicholas. Hi.
Just some random YouTuber.
Nicholas is one of our biggest video creators for Roblox content. If you know him, he has more than 2 million followers.
Yeah, across
Welcome.
platform, which is insane. Can't wrap my head around it, but yeah.
That's amazing. Dave, are you excited for a demo?
Really excited.
Great. We did a demo last year, and it was nerve-wracking. And we want to see if we can make it work this year for Roblox Party. So you will find out just in a minute if it works. So let's get started. We'll go over here.
How the hell does that guy have the guts
So,
to go in front of so many
you're seeing-
people?
I'll give it a minute to show up.
It's insane to me. Oh, sorry, whoops.
You are not seeing.
You had trouble with taking off the microphone?
It's coming.
Woohoo, yeah. Woohoo.
It's so awesome.
It's so awesome.
Can't believe
That guy's more mortal than I am. I'm having so much fun, guys.
Yay. Well, you gotta wait for the nice things in life.
This game is terrifying. I'm gonna shit my pants.
In the middle of the screen is my phone. To your left is Dave's phone, and on your right is Nick's phone. And we're gonna show how you can party on Roblox. So I'm gonna get this party started. It's really simple. I just go to my chats. I say hi. Are you all ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. I'm gonna go to the top right and hit join.
Okay, I'm joining.
I'm joining.
And Tariq is backstage, and he will be joining us too.
Hi, guys. He's gonna say.
Hi, Tariq.
Hi.
Oh, he said hello. Oh, well.
So we can all hear him over voice chat.
Yeah, good to be in here.
Good
Thanks.
to be here. Okay.
Woo.
Which experience should we pick? I just click the play button and I can go pick any experience.
Okay, we'll follow.
Okay, this is pretty interesting.
I'll follow.
Okay, I love cars, so let's do it. I'm picking Highway Hooligans.
Highway
I'm now gonna
hooligans.
click join with party, and we will join the same server together.
I'm grouping up.
Yeah, I'm grouping up too.
Okay, awesome.
8 seconds.
The thing is, though,
Are you
if
ready?
you're in a party and there isn't any servers with enough space in them, does it create a new server for you, or do you just never join?
Yes.
That's a good thing.
That's a good thing. You did. I was like, he really did not think it would, but it does
Just
work.
happened magically.
And it makes sure that we all join the same experience together.
Okay, awesome.
Okay, so we are all in.
I'm in.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna have a shower now. It's been nice talking to you. Bye, guys.
Oh,
I gotta stop streaming now. How do I do that?
Where's the 59 caddy?
Um,
let's get
bye.